Welcome. In this video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unstar a photo in Google Drive. If you've been using Google Drive, you might find that you have starred too many photos and need to clean up your starred items. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your files seamlessly. Once the app is open, navigate to the section where your photos are stored. Next, find the photo you want to unstar. You can do this by scrolling through your files or using the search feature if you have many items. Once you've located the photo, look for the three dots next to it. This icon represents more options and is crucial for our next step. Now, tap on those three dots. A menu will appear with various options related to that photo. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that says, Remove from Starred. This action will remove the star from your selected photo, effectively decluttering your starred items. And that's it. You've successfully unstarred a photo in Google Drive. If you ever need to star it again, just follow the same steps and select Add to Starred instead. To recap: 1. Open the Google Drive app. 2. Find the photo you want to unstar and click on the three dots next to it. 3. Select Remove from Starred. This simple process helps keep your Google Drive organized and ensures that only the most important files are easily accessible in your starred section. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital files effectively. Happy organizing!